What's up, y'all? Welcome back to my channel. So I'm here, and Merry Christmas to you guys. How you guys doing? So guys, in today's epic journey today, we're going to be drawing Saitama versus Goku Master Ultra Instinct. Alright, as usual, here are the guidelines. If you need the guidelines, I'm using an A4 paper to draw this amazing epic sketch. Alright, this is an epic fight scene between these two amazing characters, and I want to know your own opinions down in the comment below between Goku, Master Ultra Instinct, and Saitama. Who is going to be winning this epic fight? You understand? To me, I'm picking Saitama. I don't know why, but I love Goku and all, but I pick Saitama. Saitama is going to win this battle down, hands down. Well, let me hear your own opinion down in the comments, and don't forget to like and subscribe as usual. Support me. I upload epic joint tutorials for you guys every single day. To support the movement, like and subscribe, and let me know your thoughts who will win between Goku and Saitama down in the comments. Alright, peace out.
I wanna lock in your love. I think we're close enough. Could I lock in your love, baby? I feel we're close enough. I wanna lock in your love. I think we're close enough. Could I lock in your love, baby? Now I've got you in my space. I won't let go again. Got you shackled in my embrace. I'm latching on to you. I'm